Okay, fine. Should we start?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, listen here. So the problem is like this. You are having u. If you look at this u is depending on x as well as u is depending on y, right? That means this u is a function of two variables. Okay, so there are two independent variable x and y, and u is depending on two independent variables that are x and y. Okay, so we have to make use of partial differentiation here. Okay, we don't have an option, right? So if you look at the left hand side, if you look at the left hand side, what is my left hand side? It is dabba by dabba x plus dabba by dabba y whole square of u. So I want to solve this and I want to prove that that is the answer that we are going to get. It will be minus 4 upon x plus y ka whole square. This thing we want to prove. Okay. So can I write down this one? I hope all of you know that x square can be written as x into x. So can I write down this as dabba by dabba x plus dabba by dabba y into dabba by dabba x plus dabba by dabba y of u. No doubt up to this, everyone getting,
Yes, sir.
is it okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
First step is clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Simply मैंने square कर दिया उसका. Okay. Now listen here. What I'm doing next. Can I write down this as dabba by dabba x plus dabba by dabba y? Now listen. This is nothing but your operator. It's like an operator, right? And we are operating this thing on you. This is your like your operand. So we are operating this operator on you. So first of all, I'm going to apply this operator. So when I apply this, and since addition is there, am I going to get something like dabba u by dabba x plus dabba u by dabba y? Are you getting this one? To all, काय केलं कळालं का? हे u वर apply केलं. Okay, and when I apply it on u, am I going to get dabba u by dabba x plus dabba u by dabba y? Fine with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now again, now listen here, this whole thing, okay, this part or whatever answer you are going to get, that again, suppose I am going to get the answer as A. After getting A, I'm going to apply this dabba by dabba x on this A, and I'm going to apply this dabba by dabba y on this A, and then I'm going to add it. As I did for this one, see what I'm doing, this u, I'm applying this dabba by dabba x on u and applying this dabba by dabba y on u, and then I'm adding it. Same way, whatever answer you are going to get, if I call it as A, I'm going to apply dabba by dabba x and dabba by dabba y one by one on that, and then I'm going to add it. Are you getting this thing?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, before, yeah, I think yesterday we have discussed. Yesterday we have discussed that the function that you are having, that u that you are having, that you can simplify further. Okay. Now, if you simplify it, the differentiation will be easy. Okay. So if you look at this u is what? It is log of x cube plus y cube minus x square y minus xy square. Now, if you look at the first and the third term, if you look at the first term and the third term, can I take x square common from that?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what will left inside when I take x square common from the first and the third term?
X minus y.
Am I left with
X minus y.
X minus y.
Correct. Now, from the remaining two terms, that is from number 2 and number 4, if you take minus y square common, what you left?
X minus y.
Can I say again I am left with x minus y?
Yes, sir.
I hope this part is clear to all. Now what I am doing, now if you look at these two terms, here x minus y and here also x minus y. So I am going to take that x minus y as common. When I take x minus y common, I left with x square minus y square. But all of you know that what is x square minus y square? How can you split it?
Plus y into x minus y.
A minus b like x minus y plus x plus y. Is it right? Can I write it like this?
Yes, sir.
What is the advantage of this thing? We are having that inner part of log in terms of product. So am I getting x minus y whole square into x plus y? But what is log of a into b?
Log a plus log b.
Right. So log of a into b, I can write it as log of a plus log of b. Correct. So can I write down this one as log of कैसे लिखूंगा बताओ? X minus y का whole square plus
log x plus y.
Is it right? That 2 will come down. So your final u that you are going to have, will it look like 2 times x minus y plus log of x plus y. This is more simple to differentiate. Okay. Now, if you look at, I call this one as 1. What I need first, I need this. तो मुझे dabba u by dabba x चाहिए. The second part I need is dabba u by dabba y. So what you are going to do, we are going to find out this part first, then I'm going to find out this part, then I'm going to add it. And whatever answer you are going to have, then one by one, again I'm going to apply this one and this one and that. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
पहले dabba u by
Yes,
dabba x
sir.
निकालते हैं. Can anyone tell me what is dabba u by dabba x? इसका डेरिवेटिव बताओ x से with respect to x. तो 2 log का डेरिवेटिव x minus y हो जाएगा, right? Into x minus y का डेरिवेटिव 1, तो leave it. It is simply like this. Plus 1 upon x plus y. Into again the derivative of x plus y will be 1. Is it simple? Dabba u by dabba y like this.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, can anyone tell me what will your how will your dabba u by dabba y will look like?
Minus 2 upon x minus y.
Minus 2 upon x minus y.
X minus y, and the derivative of x minus y will be minus 1. So you are going to have minus 1.
Minus 1.
Plus 1 upon
plus
x
you are
plus
going to
y.
have 1 upon x plus y into derivative is 1. Okay. Now what I need after this, once I have this 1 and 2, I'm going to supposed to add this. We'll add this 2. Therefore, dabba u by dabba x plus dabba u by dabba y is nothing but the addition of this thing. 2 times x minus y plus 1 upon x plus y minus 2 times x minus y plus 1 upon x plus y. So can you see the first and the third term will get cancelled out?
Yes.
Plus minus. Can I say, therefore, what is my dabba u by dabba x plus dabba u by dabba y?
2
2
upon
by
x
x plus y.
It's 2 times. It is 2 times x plus y. Right? Now put this value of dabba u by dabba x plus dabba u y, ये जो value मिली है, इसको हम equation number 1 में.
Sir, 2 upon x plus y.
Sir, y x plus y. 2 upon x.
So it will be 2 upon x plus y. Correct? Now by 1, okay, by 1, dabba u by dabba x, u by dabba y. What I want to tell you is, वो जो left hand side क्या था? Dabba by dabba x plus dabba by dabba y square of u. Will it look like dabba by dabba x plus dabba by dabba y of क्या आया था? आंसर क्या आया हमारा? 2 times x plus y. काय केलं कळालं का मी? ही जी वैल्यू है ना, सिंपली ये जो वैल्यू था dabba u by dabba x, ये वैल्यू आई एम रिप्लेसिंग इट बाय 2 upon x plus y. दैट्स इट. ये वैल्यू में रिप्लेस कर. करेक्ट? And then you differentiate, find out the derivative of, that means am I going to do something like dabba by dabba x of 2 upon x plus y plus dabba by dabba y of 2 upon x plus y. Can you tell me the derivative of this one? 2 will be constant. And what is the derivative 1 upon x? Is it minus 2 upon x plus y whole square?
Yes, sir.
Right? Similarly, इसका derivative क्या होगा? Minus 2 upon x plus y का whole square. So what will be the addition?
minus 4 upon x plus y.
Is it the same thing that we want to prove? Can I say this is nothing but your RHS?
Yes, sir.
So we have proved it. I hope you are getting. कळालं का सगळ्यांना? Everyone.
Yes.
Chalo, write it down. Those who are not getting it, those who have completed, it's good. Those who have not solved this, those who have not tried, those who are not getting the answer, they can copy this. We'll give you 2 minutes to write down this and then we'll start with the next topic. Finish?
No, sir.
Done with this, all of you? समझ में आया कि किसी ने क्वेश्चन पूछा था? I hope you got the answer. Those who asked.
Yes, sir.
सर ये एमसीक्यू में कैसे पूछ सकते हैं?
Okay, MCQ में listen, they are not going to ask you the whole thing, but they may ask you to find out simply dabba u by dabba x. They may ask you to find out dabba u by dabba y. They may just ask you to find out dabba u by dabba x plus dabba u by dabba y की भी addition की value भी पूछ सकते हैं. Okay, so not the full question they will ask. They just ask you the derivatives and they may ask you the sum of it, not the whole thing.
ओके सर.
सर
Yeah. बोलो.
सर आपने जो असाइनमेंट पुट किया था उसमें
हाँ.
पार्शियल डिफरेंशिएशन का भी क्वेश्चन है, वो भी
नहीं
असाइनमेंट में करना है?
नहीं वो नहीं करना. वो एक्चुअली पीडीएफ
Sir,
में आया
कितने
था
marks
इसलिए
का
बाय
question
चांस
है?
आगे उसमें ऐड हो गया है दैट यू आर नॉट सपोज्ड टू डू.
ओके सर.
Sunday is the deadline for the assignment. So by Sunday you are supposed to complete all the thing. Okay, should I go to the next page? Done with this all? Okay.
Sir, कितने marks का question आता है ये? हेलो.
हाँ बोलो.
हाँ सर, कितने मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन आता है ये, मतलब पार्शियल डिफरेंस का?
एग्जाम में 2 मार्क्स के लिए MCQ. If you are having the MCQ exam, INSEM will be purely online. but about the NSEM it is not yet decided. It may be online, it may be offline. If it is online, then it will come only maximum 2 marks, not more than that. But if it is offline, if it is, then in that case it may come for 5 marks or 4 marks. Okay. All of you write down the question with me, everyone. Finish everyone, all of you, finish with the question.
No, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, now listen, this is the next kind of question that can be asked over here. To find a value of n. So what you want to supposed to find out, हमें n की value find out करनी है, so that this function, this u, satisfy the partial differential equation. So they have given some condition that this LHS addition will be equal to 0. Okay. So if you can easily see that, listen here, you can easily see that. Can you tell me u is a function of which two variables?
R and
theta.
Correct, very good. So u जो है u, it is a function of r and theta. So it is depending on r and theta both. Okay. And if you look at the partial differential equation, they are differentiating u with respect to r and theta only. Getting? So we are going to differentiate that u with respect to r sometimes, with respect to theta sometimes. So we have to use a partial differentiation here because that u is depending on more than one variable. एक variable से ज़्यादा variable आ गए ना, तो we have to use partial differentiation. Okay. Now listen here. How we are going to solve this problem? Okay. So we are going to make two part of this thing. This is your first part. This is your second part. So one by one, I'm going to find out this first part or second, we can say second part this first, and then this is the first part. Okay. Anyway, you can call anyone as 1 and anyone as 2. Suppose if I call it as 1 and if I call it as 2. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to find out this 1, I'm going to find out this 2, then I'm going to add it. I'm going to add 1 and 2 and I'm going to equate to 0 because this is given to me. ये दिया है मुझे कि इनका addition 0 है. So I'm going to add this thing and then after equating it to 0, I'm going to get some value for it. Getting the thing? Are you getting the idea what I'm going to do?
Yes,
So
sir.
I'm going to break this problem into two parts. First part is dabba by dabba r of r square dabba u by dabba r. Second part is 1 upon sine theta dabba by dabba theta of sine theta dabba u by d theta. Why I'm dividing into two parts? Because here, if you look at the thing, here differentiation is with respect to r, here differentiation is with respect to theta. So I'm going to separately differentiate with respect to r and theta, then I'm going to add it, then I'm going to equate it to 0, and then I'll get the value of n. Okay. So chalo, we'll do this thing one by one. So can you tell me how my, now u is what? U is r raised to n 3 cos square theta minus 1, right? Can anyone tell me what will be my dabba u by dabba r? That is differentiation of u with respect to r. What about theta?
Constant.
Theta will be treated as constant. Okay. So can I say, if you look at this part, this whole term will be constant, 3 cos square theta minus 1. There is no r in that. Is it? So this 3 cos square theta minus 1 will be treated as constant. And I'm going to differentiate only this part. What is the derivative of r raised to n?
n r raised to
Is
the
it
power
n
n minus
r to the power n minus 1? Is it right? So that is nothing but your dabba u by dabba r. Can I write down? इसको मैं ऐसे लिख सकता हूँ n r to the power raised to n 3 cos square theta minus upon r. Can I write it like this?
Yes, sir.
Now if you look at this thing properly, if you look at this part, can I say this part is nothing but your u again? If that part is nothing but your u, so can I say this is nothing but your simply nu by r? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Right? So your dabba u by dabba, or see, if you are getting confused with that, no need to do it. चलो नहीं करते हो. Don't get confused. Do में नहीं लिखते. यहाँ पे तक समझ में आया सबको? This part at least I hope it is clear to all. Now what you do next? ये हो गया हमारा. अभी क्या करेंगे next? R square से multiply कर देंगे. Now multiply by R square. So what will happen? Am I going to get R square dabba u by dabba R is equal to n. क्या हो जाएगी r की पावर? कैन यू टेल मी? n minus 1 plus 2 हो जाएगा ना?
n plus 2, n plus 1, sorry.
n plus 1, correct. It will be n plus 1, 3 cos square theta minus 1. I hope it is clear up to this. Now what next you have to do? यहाँ तक आ गए हम अभी. इसका वापस डिफरेंशिएशन करना है ना with respect to r. तो again we are going to differentiate with respect to r. So we are going to differentiate this r square dabba u by dabba r with respect to r. That means we are differentiating this thing with respect to r. If you look at this, again when you differentiating with respect to r, theta will be constant. So can you tell me what are the constant terms here? N will be constant. 3 cos square theta minus 1 will be constant. डेरिवेटिव किसका लेना पड़ेगा खाली हमें? r raised to n plus 1 का ना? तो इसका डेरिवेटिव होगा n plus 1. r to the power कितना हो जाएगा? Is it r to the power?
yes sir.
Correct. Can I write down this as n into n plus 1 into r raised to n 3 cos square theta minus 1. What is this part? R raised to n 3 cos square theta minus 1.
हेलो सर.
बोलो.
तो आर स्क्वायर से रिपीट करो ना, समझ नहीं आया सर.
See, listen here. ये स्टेप समझ में आई सबको? 3 cos square theta minus मैंने कांस्टेंट रखा.
Yes, sir.
डेरिवेटिव निकाला, राइट? देन आफ्टर दैट मैंने r स्क्वायर से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया दोनों साइड r स्क्वायर से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. तो यहाँ पे r स्क्वायर पावर n माइनस 1 है ना, प्लस 2 हो जाएगा ना ऐड पावर. तो ये एडिशन करने के बाद n plus 1 आ जाएगा. तो इट विल बी r raised to n plus 1. रिमेनिंग पार्ट विल बी एज इट इज. ओके ओके.
यस सर. यस सर.
In the next part, listen here. हो गया ना, यहाँ तक हो गया, फिर उसको और एक बार डिफरेंशिएट करना है मुझे r से। तो व्हाट आई डिड इन द नेक्स्ट डिफरेंशिएट वन मोर टाइम विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू r, इसको वापस इसको डिफरेंशिएट किया r से। और जब r से डिफरेंशिएट कर रहे हैं, ये टर्म कांस्टेंट है, इसमें r नहीं है, ये भी टर्म कांस्टेंट है, इसमें भी r नहीं है, तो आई हैव टेकन इट आउट। ये देखो, ये बाहर ले लिया और ओनली इसका डिफरेंशिएशन किया, इसमें r है ना। तो r रेज टू n प्लस वन का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होगा? n प्लस वन r रेज टू n। इज इट ओके? कळालं का?
Yes, sir.
राइट।
Yes,
एंड
sir.
लास्ट स्टेप विल बी हियर, मैंने के लिए इसको रीअरेंज कर दिया, ये n लिखा, फिर ये n प्लस वन लिखा, देखो n प्लस वन, then this r raised to n, r raised to n, and then 3 cos square theta minus 1 at the end. But what is this? R raised to n 3 cos square theta minus 1 is what?
U.
And I say this final the first part that I'm having, dabba by dabba r of r square dabba u by dabba r. The answer for this part is n into n plus 1 into u. Is it correct? Or can I say it is n square plus n into u? Is it right?
Yes, sir.
This is nothing but
Yes, sir.
I hope it is clear up to this to all.
Yes,
चलो
sir.
यहाँ तक
Yes,
लिखो
sir.
पहले. All of you write down the first and do it fast. पहला part लिखो सभी fast.
चलो लास्ट पार्ट रिपीट करो ना, लास्ट पार्ट।
अरे क्या नहीं समझा इसमें अभी? लास्ट पार्ट में खाली उसको रीअरेंज कर दिया है। एंड वो जो 3 r रेज टू n 3 cos square theta minus 1 है ना, यहाँ पे देखो ना ऊपर, ये आपकी u की वैल्यू है, तो मैंने उसके जगह u लिख दिया, इसके जगह u लिख दिया है बस। ये देखो, तो ये n इंटू एन प्लस वन एज इट इज, ये n प्लस वन एज इट इज, एंड देन उनको मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, n स्क्वायर प्लस n इंटू यू। फाइन।
यस सर।
चलो राइट इट डाउन फास्ट, थोड़ा ध्यान दो, कंसंट्रेशन करो हर एक स्टेप पे, एवरीवन। इट इज वेरी सिंपल, सिंपली व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, आप खाली डेरिवेटिव निकाल रहे हो, नथिंग एल्स। ओके। और एक काम ध्यान में रखना कि व्हेन यू आर डिफरेंशिएटिंग वन वेरिएबल यू आर ट्रीटिंग एज कांस्टेंट, तो अनदर वेरिएबल जो है उनको कांस्टेंट रखना है। Finish everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we'll do the second part. Should I go to the next part? Done? All?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, if you look at the second part, what do you think? Should I start from 1 upon sine theta or should I start from da by u by da by theta?
Da by u by da by theta.
Da by u by da by theta.
Right, correct. So while solving this part, I'm going to do this thing first, da by u by da by theta. Then I'm going to multiply it by sine theta. Then again I'm going to differentiate with respect to theta. And then I'm going to multiply by 1 upon sine theta. Getting this one? So this is my way to get the second part, right? So we'll start with da by u by da by theta first. Okay. Can you tell me how my da by u by da by theta will look like? My u is u r raised to n 3 cos square theta minus 1. This is my u. What will be da by u by da by theta? अभी कौन सा वेरिएबल कांस्टेंट रहेगा?
R raised to n.
R will be constant.
R raised to n.
R raised to n constant रहने वाला है. We'll keep it as it is. 3 cos square theta का डिफरेंशिएशन करना पड़ेगा. 3 will be constant. Cos square theta का हो जाएगा 2 cos theta into minus sin theta.
Sin theta. Minus sin theta.
Can I say it is minus 6 cos theta sin
Sin
theta?
theta cos theta.
और माइनस 1 का 0 हो जाएगा ना? माइनस 1 का डेरिवेटिव 0. Is this right?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes sir.
Right. Then the next step is what? यहाँ पे हम इसको sin theta से multiply करेंगे. रिवर्स वे जा रहे हैं. We are going to multiply it now with sin theta. So when you multiply by sin theta, are you going to get r raised to n minus 6 cos theta into sin square theta? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. After this, now what is the next step? Again, we have to do the differentiation of this thing with respect to theta, right? Up to this. Now next step में क्या करना है? हमें इसका da by theta निकालना है. So da by theta of sin theta da by u by theta is equal to इसका derivative. Can you tell me the derivative of this thing with respect to theta? Now here minus 6 and r raised to n will be constant. And you have to take the derivative of this cos theta into sin square theta. So use the product rule here. So can I say cos theta I'm taking as it is? Listen here, I'm using product rule. Sin square theta का derivative क्या होगा?
2 sin theta
2
into
sin
cos theta.
theta cos theta.
Yeah, so it is 2 sin theta cos theta plus. Now I'm keeping sin square theta as it is. And I'm multiplying with the derivative of cos theta. What is derivative of cos theta?
Minus sin theta.
Minus sin theta, correct. Now, इसमें anything common that you can take common here? Can I take one sin theta common? Here also sin theta. यहाँ पे भी एक sin theta है. Can I take sin theta common? So can I write down this as minus 6 r raised to n into sin theta? What I left with inside? Is it 2 cos square theta? Check out. Minus sin square theta. I hope it is correct.
Yes, sir.
Now, in the next step, what I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply it by 1 upon sin theta. Okay, here, check karo. You can check out.
Yes, sir.
Now, multiplying by 1 upon sin theta, that means what? Actually, you are dividing by sin theta, ना? इसको अगर आप sin theta से divide कर दोगे तो ये टर्म चली जाएगी देखो. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
So what I left with? Am I left with minus 6 r raised to n 2 cos square theta? Can I write down this sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta in further?
Yes, sir.
Is it right? So can I say 1 upon sin theta da by theta of sin theta da by u by theta is equal to, can I simplify it further? Will it be minus 6 r raised to n?
Plus 1 minus 1.
यहाँ पे हो जाएगा ये आई थिंक 3 cos square theta हो जाएंगे देखो. ये देखो ये 2 और ये माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा ना. Is it?
Yes, sir.
6 cos square theta. Now, what is this? This is nothing but your, can I say, this part is nothing but your u? R raised to n 3 cos square theta minus 1. Is it? So can I say this is nothing but my 6u? Is it?
Yes, sir.
So this is
Yes,
my second
sir.
Yes,
part.
sir.
Finally, I have that it's given. But 1 plus 2. What is the addition of 1 plus 2?
0.
Is equal to 0.
0.
1 plus 2 is 0. What is my 1? 1 is, I think, n in square plus n into un. ये देखो. और 2 क्या है आपका? minus 6u is equal to 0. Is it correct? So can I say this is equal to ऐसे ही आया ना? पहला क्या आया था? लेफ्ट फर्स्ट वन क्या आया?
ऐसे आया
Yes.
सर पहला। दो वेरिएबल आ रहे इसमें।
If I take u common here, can I say it is n square plus n minus 6 times u is equal to 0? Can you tell me the fact?
-3 2
इनका multiplication minus 6 आए but addition plus 1 आए.
P2
3n and minus 2n.
3 and minus 2. Okay. So can I say the factors will be n plus 3 and n minus 2? Okay. So u cannot be 0. See, u cannot be 0 because u 0 हो गया तो पूरा problem ही 0 हो जाएगा. So that cannot be 0. So what I'm going to have, am I going to have n plus 3 is equal to 0 or n minus 2 is equal to 0? So what are the values of n then? n की value क्या होगी?
-3 plus 2
Minus 3 and 2.
n की value minus 3 or 2. That's it. And we are interested in the values of n. हमें n की value चाहिए थी ना?
yes sir
So there are two possibilities. N value will be either minus 3 or plus. I
हेलो
hope it is-
सर। हाँ सर, वो 3 cos स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस 1 कैसे आया एक बार बताइए।
ये देखो ना, ये 2 cos square theta है ना, इसको x माइनस साइन अंदर ले लो, प्लस 1, सॉरी ये प्लस नहीं माइनस 1 प्लस cos square theta होगा ये 2 cos square theta और ये 1 cos square theta, 3 हो गए ना?
हाँ सर।
ओके, चलो राइट डाउन.
तो जो sin थीटा कॉमन ले और लास्ट वाला तो माइनस sin थीटा है ना? तो sin थीटा कॉमन लिया है ना हमने, तो माइनस sin थीटा है लास्ट में।
माइनस साइन थीटा तो यहाँ पे माइनस साइन रखा ना मैंने, ये देखो यहाँ पे माइनस रखा है वो, ये
यस सर।
ये प्लस माइनस, ये प्लस माइनस माइनस होगा ना, तो ये माइनस साइन रखा है मैंने यहाँ पे. ओके
सर लास्ट पार्ट रिपीट कर सर।
ये लिखो पहले, ऑल ऑफ यू राइट डाउन. आई थिंक फर्स्ट पार्ट यू हैव रिटन ना,
yes sir
राइट
Yes,
डाउन
sir.
फ्रॉम
Yes, sir.
सेकेंड पार्ट से लिखो. Finish.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
सर हेलो।
अब बोलो।
वो माइनस ये देखो, अपन ने सेकंड पार्ट का जो डेरिवेटिव निकाला था ना,
हाँ हाँ,
वो दूसरे साइड में जाके माइनस हो गया।
किधर?
मतलब डी डैबा यू बाय डैबा थीटा, वो वाला जो निकाला था हमने इक्वेशन से।
ये देखो, ये फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव है आपका, ये डाबा यू बाय डाबा थीटा ये है।
हाँ, और साइन से मल्टीप्लाई
उसके
कर
बाद
दिया।
मैंने क्या किया, इसको साइन थीटा से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, तो ये एक और एक साइन बढ़ गया ना, तो ये साइन स्क्वायर हो गया।
साइन स्क्वायर हो गया, ठीक।
फिर उसके बाद इसका वापस डिफरेंशिएशन किया, तो थीटा से डिफरेंशिएट करते वक्त ये कांस्टेंट है, ये माइनस आर रेज टू एन कांस्टेंट रखा मैंने, और इन दोनों पे प्रोडक्ट रूल अप्लाई कर दिया। दिस इज माय यू, दिस इज माय,
हाँ ठीक है, ठीक ठीक है,
वहाँ
ठीक।
पर प्रोडक्ट रूल अप्लाई किया है। ओके, पढ़ा लगा?
अरे लास्ट सर, लास्ट
यस।
वाला
लास्ट में क्या?
ये बट से n स्क्वायर प्लस n।
हाँ, ये देखो, ये जो हमने फर्स्ट इक्वेशन सॉल्व किया था ना, इसका आंसर एन स्क्वायर प्लस एन इंटू यू आया था ना, ये है देखो, ये फर्स्ट पार्ट। एंड सेकेंड पार्ट हमारा माइनस 6u आया ना। तो ये जो हमें दिया है प्रॉब्लम में स्टार्टिंग में कि ये फर्स्ट पार्ट का एडिशन, दिस इज फर्स्ट पार्ट प्लस ये सेकेंड पार्ट, ये जीरो है, ऐसे दिया है हमें, तो इट इज गिवन टू अस। ओके, दैट्स वाई मैंने क्या किया, फर्स्ट पार्ट का जो आंसर आया था, फर्स्ट पार्ट आंसर, दिस इज माय सेकेंड पार्ट आंसर, आई एम एडिंग दैट टू, और इसको इक्वल टू जीरो कर दिया। गेटिंग?
सर
फिर उसके फैक्टर निकाले, बस u कॉमन ले लिया दोनों में, तो ये हो गया n स्क्वायर प्लस n माइनस 6 इंटू यू इक्वल टू जीरो।
यस सर, यस सर,
उसके
राइट।
फैक्टर्स निकाले फिर उसके। हो गया सबका? शुड आई गो टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट?
यस
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now this is exactly a same problem. I'm not going to do this. This is for your homework. Everyone is going to try this. Okay, everyone. Easy है. Find the value of. I'm going to explain it how we are going to do that. Find the value of n. n की value find out करनी है. For which u is equal to e raised to minus gx sine of nt minus x satisfies the partial, should I write down partial differential equation? Partial differential equation dabba u by dabba t is equal to m times dabba square u upon dabba x square, where a and g are constant. So throughout we are going to treat that as constant. Okay. So I'll just give you the hint how we can solve this. Again, listen here. We want to find out n. Can you tell me u किसका function है? U is a function of which two variables here?
X and T.
Yeah. So here
T and X.
yeah, correct. T and x or x and t, whatever. तो a and g तो कांस्टेंट है, n भी कांस्टेंट है, एक्चुअली वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड इट आउट. ओके, अगर आप देखोगे, ट्राई करोगे, यहाँ पे u जो है वो a का फंक्शन है, g का है, x का है, n का है, t का है, सबका है, बट आउट ऑफ दैट A and G, they are saying they are constant. N is also constant. So we are going to remain with only X and T. In fact, if you look at the given thing, partial differential equation, we are differentiating that U with respect to X and T. That means this U is a function of X and T. Okay. Now here, how we are going to solve this problem? Not me actually, you are going to solve this problem. The first thing is find out dava U by dava T. Now when you find out dava U by dava T, you are going to treat X as,
Constant.
Constant.
तो you are to supposed to treat X as constant. तो इसका कुछ आंसर मिलेगा. Call it as 1. इसको 1 बोल दो या इसको लेफ्ट हैंड साइड बोल दो. This is your left hand side. Right? Similarly, what you have to do for the second part, for the right hand side, you have to find out dava U by dava X first. पहले dava U by dava X find out करो. जो आंसर आएगा उसको वापस x से डिफरेंशिएट करो because we want to find out the second derivative. And whatever answer you are going to get multiplied by m. इसका भी कुछ आंसर आएगा ना. This answer is nothing but your RHS. You getting both of this? Equate LHS and RHS को equate करो. Equate करने के बाद फिर आपको n की वैल्यू मिलेगी. Are you getting the idea? क्या करना है? But while differentiating, make sure that you are keeping A and G को constant रखने वाले. Right? Can you try this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, तो सब try करो without fail. This is the important question so that you will get an idea कि differentiation कैसे करने. सभी मैं करूँगा तो आपको कुछ वो feel नहीं आएगा आप करो करने का. इसलिए मैंने वो पहला एग्जाम्पल पूरा ठीक से स्टेप बाय स्टेप एक्सप्लेन किया है. यहाँ पे भी आपको मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया. यू आर सपोज टू डू इट बट फाइंड आउट डावा यू बाय डावा टी. एक्स को कांस्टेंट रखो. सेकेंड पार्ट में 2 बार डिफरेंशिएट करो एक्स से. एम से मल्टीप्लाई करो. वॉट एवर आंसर यू आर गोइंग टू गेट देन यू इक्वेट. आपको ऑटोमेटिकली एन की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी. राइट. एन की वैल्यू कुछ तो आंसर इसका आई थिंक आता है 2m. आंसर फॉर दिस प्रॉब्लम इज n की वैल्यू आनी चाहिए 2mg². ओके, करोगे ट्राई और शुड आई सॉल्व?
No, we will try, sir.
That's better.
No, sir.
So please try out this problem. How much time we have? We are having 4 minutes. Okay, fine. As per yesterday, can all see us from the division Mozilla, Audi and Chrome? Please help me to take the attendance.